Okay, so today we're going to be installing Visual Studio Code on a Windows. So what I want you to do is I want you to come to your Google search and type in download Visual Studio Code. And then you're going to click the first website. And then here you can see we've got Windows and we've got Mac. We are on a Windows, so we're going to install with Windows. It's going to take a second to download. It's going to download an executable file. Once that's done, go ahead and open up that file. It's going to take a second to load. We'll want to read through this agreement. I've downloaded this before, so I'm going to accept this agreement and hit next. I do want a desktop icon, so I'm going to check this last box, and then I'm going to hit next, and then it's hit install, and then it's going to take some time to install. So we'll run for a little bit, and I'm going to actually pause and cut until the install is done. Really, it only takes a few minutes. So I really only cut out about 44 seconds there, and we are done. And so we'll hit finish and launch, and that should launch our Visual Studio Code. Takes a second to load, but if you see a screen somewhat like this, then it means you've correctly installed Visual Studio Code and you are safe to move on to the next video. Thanks for watching.